Hi, hello. Witajcie moi drodzy dzisiaj o kłopotliwych parach, czyli przymiotnik i przyimek. Let's have a look. Good or brilliant at. Emily is brilliant at maths. Terrible or bad at something. I'm terrible at football. Bored or fed up with. We are bored with grammar. Angry or annoyed with. He is really angry with you. Afraid or frightened of. Sophie is afraid of spiders. Tired or full of. She is always full of beans. Full of beans znaczy, że ktoś jest bardzo żwawy, żywotny. Interested in. They are interested in literature. Keen on. Billy is keen on pop music. Married to. Anne is married to Andrew. Excited, right or sorry about. She's excited about her trip. Ready, famous or late for. We are ready for new adventures. Okay, are you ready for the test? So let's have a look. W naszym zadaniu trzeba uzupełnić zdania, wpisując tylko jedno słowo. Ready? Let's begin. I'm not very keen on physics, but I get top marks. Is she interested in computers? Were you late to school yesterday? It was a mistake. I'm very sorry about that. We were so fed up with this science project. Robert used to be bad at basketball or terrible at basketball, but he is much better at it now. Children are often afraid of the dark or frightened of the dark. Paula was excited about her birthday party. I w drugim ćwiczeniu przekształcamy zdania, używając tym razem słów, które zostały podane w nawiasie. Ready? Let's check. Richard is a very good mathematician, so Richard is brilliant at maths. Sandra and Marco are married, so Sandra is married to Marco. They often get on my nerves. I am often angry with them, or I am often annoyed with them. Everybody knows him. He's a painter. So he's famous for his paintings. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.